Hi again everyone, Deeper from New Zealand. Just putting an older Tri-ang locomotive. This is I think an R251 in the later maroon livery on the track today, just to see how that'll run. I've given it a quick service and let's see how that goes. Looks like a bit of power loss just there. That's a different spot this time. And that's into the isolated track section, as it should. Quite a nice run, I think. So let's see what happens when we switch direction and see how it does on the return journey. So here we are for the run back home. My apologies for the autumnal shadowing. Here is the loco going back on track and running. There we go. And stopping just in time before the buffer stop. Very nice run from a very straightforward little loco. They have a simple mechanism, and this does have magnetation, but of course that's not helped by the nickel silver track. However, I think it just goes to show how some of these older Tri-ang and Tri-ang Hornby products still can do well and can run nicely, and just with a bit of basic maintenance. So once again, thank you all for watching and for liking and subscribing, much appreciated, and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye bye for now.